Hey, shit, man. I'm still sorry about the Kool-Aid, man. Are you still mad at me?
Yeah, baby, you already know. Hold up, my brother trying to say something to me. Bruh, am I still mad at you about my Kool-Aid? Yeah, I'm still mad at you about my Kool-Aid. That's why you got your ass whooped the first time. Should never mess with my Kool-Aid, bruh. Never.
Gee, I said I was sorry. It's like no matter what I say, I can't get an apology from you. And why are you so mad at me? I mean, you could have made you some more Kool-Aid.
I could have made me some more Kool-Aid. Matter of fact, hold up, man. Hey, babe. Let me call you back. Alright. Look at this. See, first of all, I made that Kool-Aid. And every time I put something in the refrigerator, it mysteriously come up missing. And I already said I was going to find out who took my Kool-Aid. And you are the one that took my Kool-Aid. Am I correct?
But yeah, it was this time I took your Kool-Aid. I mean, I'm not the only person that's in the house. Why haven't you asked Mom? Or why haven't you even asked Dad?
First of all, Mom is not even at home. She's never at home. And second of all, Dad is always somewhere. But matter of fact, where my phone? Man, I'm texting up Dad right now. Let's see what he got.
Oh my God, something was in that ham sandwich. Oh, running right through me. Running right through me. Ugh. I swear these boys always ask me to do something in my mama's toilet. Ugh. Oh my God, no more ham sandwich for me. Something was in there. Oh, can't stand myself. Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord have mercy. I can't stand myself. Oh, Lord. Let me go see what these boys want. Okay. Y'all caught me at a very bad time. Now, tell me what the problem is.
Alright, man. Look, the problem is this. I hide Kool-Aid in the refrigerator. Specifically hide it. Because somebody's taking my stuff and I don't know who it is. And this little geek over here, hey, took my Kool-Aid, drunk it, fell asleep, and then when I came back to the refrigerator and looked for my Kool-Aid, it was gone. So I asked him if he took my Kool-Aid, and he said no. So I leave the room, I come back, he had my Kool-Aid in his hand.
You always gotta act like some nigger.
What? Bitch!
Now what that tell? What? No, don't run now. No, don't run now. Oh, you think you friendly? You think you out the flame too? Papa JJ. Don't run now. Oh yes, I'm over today. Today. Look at you. You over here beating up on your brother and you can't even take an ass whooping. And you, quit screaming for your mama. She ain't even here. Y'all over here fighting over who drank the Kool-Aid, who took the Kool-Aid out of the refrigerator. And it was the whole time I was taking the Kool-Aid out of the refrigerator. I bought it. Over here fighting like y'all don't have no damn sense, like me and your mom didn't raise y'all back.
You been drinking my Kool-Aid?